टीएमसी लीडर सौगता राय ने बीजेपी के कौमी सदर जेपी नड्डा के बयान को बेबुनियाद करार दिया। उनका कहना था कि जेपी नड्डा के बयान की कोई अहमियत नहीं। जेपी नड्डा खुद अपनी रियासत में पार्टी को जीत नहीं दिला सकते। उनका कहना था कि बीजेपी के पास कोई मौजू नहीं है, इसलिए वो शाहजहां शेख के इशू को उठाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
What does it matter? He is not effective. He could not win his own state, JP Nadda. So he will create no impression.
He said today Mamata Banerjee's government में Sheikh Shahjahan is threat.
Sheikh Shahjahan is there in only one constituency of Bengal out of 294. BJP has no issue. That's why they are raising Sheikh Shahjahan's issue with the help of media. All we want to say that let the law take its own course in Sheikh Shahjahan's matter. And it may be what CBI is doing, maybe a planted job. We are not sure.
Today they again came and declared they are get 35 seats this election.
There is no bar on claiming. They can claim all 42 seats, but they will not get 10 seats.